Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this pretty ring. And I also made this collar. In our materials, I have rondelle beads, and this is 4mm. And I have 11 seed beads. And my beading needle number 11. And also I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. Pick up 7 seed beads and rondelle. I'm going to pass through all the beads again. Now just leave a short tail. Then pick up another 7. And pass through the 7 beads. Then pass through until the 4th. Then pick up 3 rondelle and 3 seed beads. And pass through. Then pick up another 7. Then pass through the 3 seed beads. Then exit to the 4th. Then pick up another 3 seed beads, rondelle, and 3. Then pick up another 7. Then pass through the 3rd in the middle. Pass through the 3 seed beads, the one in the middle, and the 3. And exit to the 4th. Then pick up 3. Then pick up another 3. pick up another 3, pass through, so I'm for size 7 I need 11 right angle weave, so I made 3, so I'm going to make 8 more. Completed my 11 right angle, so my thread is coming out. I'm going to attach. 1 2 3 4, so this is my middle, so my thread is coming out. Pick up 1, pick up another 1, pick up another 1, then pick up 1, then pass through, pick up another 1, so I'm filling the gap by adding one seed bead. So I'm going to continue until here. So pick up 1, so this is the middle, so I'm going to pass through the next, so my thread is coming out, so this is the middle, my thread is coming out from here, so I have to pick up 1, pass through, then pick up 1, then pass through, and filling the gap by adding 1, And I'm going to continue adding one bead until here. So this is one bead, my last one, and this is the middle. So I'm going to pass through. Make one more knot, one more couple of knots. Then I'll just make some couple of knots here before I cut my thread. So it's done. And this is size 7. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Hope you like it.